Hey, I'm Willie Lawson of Music Showcase, and I work in this school. Been teaching saxophone there for a long, long time, and I've got something that you need to know about. We are starting an Elite Center jazz combo. So what? So if you got what it takes, or you think you have what it takes, or you'd like to have what it takes, if you'd like to learn, you can be a part of this jazz ensemble. We're looking for some talented musicians to join our ensemble. We have four. You can choose from two of the four tunes that will be available to you. You can practice those. You can show your reading ability, your improvisational skills. If you're a drummer, we're going to work on your style skills, and if you're a guitar player or a piano player, we're going to work on your comp skills. You can be part of this combo. The combo is only going to be about 7 people max. So we're looking for people who are interested in hitting the ground running and learning an awful lot very, very quickly. I will have in Studio 19 in the school, I will have the copies of the charts that we're using for audition from. They are jazz standards, and they have chord changes and the melody on them. And depending on what your instrument is, the requirements that you'll have may vary a little. You can get more information from me. I'm there at the school Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday. The auditions are going to be on April 12th between 3 p.m. and 6 p.m. And that's when we're going to schedule them. Each of the auditions are going to last you about 10 minutes, so that won't take much of your time. We're going to try to schedule the jazz rehearsals on Saturday about 3 to 4 o'clock. We haven't really nailed that down yet. The rehearsals are going to be an hour, and you'll be able to contact the Florida Academy of Performing Arts for registration into the jazz band. If indeed you get selected, you can register, and then they'll tell you the cost and all that kind of stuff. It's going to be cool. It's going to be cool. And there will be performances. We will, of course, try our best to perform at the Strawberry Festival, the Florida State Fair. The airport has a thing where you get to play at Christmas time, and of course the recitals here at Music Showcase, and wherever else in the community. They want to hear some great music from some great musicians. Again, my name is Willie Lawson, and I am the saxophone teacher in the Saxophone Factory here at Music Showcase. Please look down in the comment area or the description area for links to examples of the songs if you've not heard of them. There are 4 of them: Autumn Leaves. There is Blue Bossa. The other one is 4 by Miles Davis. And the last one that you can choose from is Take the A Train by Billy Strayhorn, a piece that got paid by the Duke Ellington Band. There you go. I'm excited. I can't wait to hear from you. Go ahead and get those auditions ready. These will be in. Actually, they'll be on my door on Studio 19 in envelopes. And even if I'm not there, you can reach in the appropriate envelope and take out the tune, and then you're welcome to practice it. Call the store if you can't get a hold of me to schedule your audition. The number is 813-685-5998, 813-685-5998, and schedule that audition. Can't wait. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Keep practicing.